Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 11-piece stainless steel measuring set. You actually get everything you need for measuring, whether it's a fourth a cup to a cup, all the way down to an eighth of a teaspoon. So I'm gonna bring you in here close so you can see the quality of these things because they feel really nice in my hands. So here are the cups up close. I love how it's actually engraved on there as to how much is on each cup. And it all stacks in together, which is great. You've got a nice little ring here to keep them all on, but it is super easy to see. And on the inside, you actually have separate measurements. So on the third of cup, you can see if you want a fourth a cup or an eighth a cup. I have not seen measuring utensils that have that extra amount. So that is great. You can easily get which one you want out of here. This will just open up. It's a nice little ring to be able to open up, pull out your cup, be able to scoop out your amount of flour or ingredient, whatever you're wanting to have. And you have a little leveler that you'll be able to use to then level everything out, make everything work really nice. You've got a nice level amount of food. And on the other side of that, you have all of your little measuring spoons. So you have your eighth spoon, fourth, half teaspoon, all the way up to a full tablespoon. It's a nice stainless steel set. I love how versatile it is and how it stacks up. And with this nice little ring here, you can easily hang them up if you wanted to, or just take out pieces as you need them.